I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with the meaning of marketing elements and the details into marketing elements. Everything you need to know about the elements of planning. Marketing planning involves setting of objectives and making plans for how these objectives can be achieved. Marketing planning involves deciding the policies, strategies, procedure, program, schedule, and budget. Marketing planning, like any planning, is basically simple in concept. In enhance, it is a statement of objective and the means by which one intend to achieve them in both short range and long range. The elements which are a part of marketing process are as follows. First one है objective. This is the most fundamental aspect of marketing plan. The marketing executives need to fix the objectives and explain them clearly to his staff and motivate them to achieve these goals. The objective should be set keeping in mind the consumer need in the specific product market condition, sales projections, competitions, etc. The marketing target should be aligned in accordance with the overall goals and objectives of the company. Next one is forecast. Planning is based on forecast for the future. It is the future oriented activity. Forecast give an idea about the opportunity that may arise in future and warn about any possible changes. Forecast enables a company to minimize risk and seize the opportunities with the most favorable outcomes. It helps to take the appropriate decision at the right time. Forecasts are made about future customers' demand, availability of raw material, competition strategy, economic condition, government policies, etc. Policies are the guideline for achieving the set objectives of the firm. They guide the manager, administration, and the subordinates of the company as what is to be done in a particular situation. Policies are the basic principles through which the objectives can be achieved. Policy may be of three types. Basic policy, this guides the top management. Common policies, this guide the middle and lower level management. Third, departmental policies, these are meant to serve a guideline to the departmental heads. Then fourth one is the procedure. Procedure are laid down to serve a guidelines to carry out the marketing activity. A procedure consists of sequence of activities that can be executed in a systematic manner to achieve certain goals. Marketing producers provide guidance in implementing of proper marketing practice in an orderly way. Program. A marketing program is an agenda involving the use of all the elements of marketing mix in order to achieve certain marketing objective. It is chalked out keeping in view the policies, procedure, and target of the organization. Programs may be made in connections with aspects of advertising, promotion, pricing, distribution, product design, etc. Schedule. A schedule shows the time and period when a particular activity has to be underlined. It is a plan for performing a work, specifying the order and time allocated for each containment part. The schedule specifies the actual time when a marketing project is to be started, the sequence in which activity is to be performed, and the time limit within which each activity should be compiled so that the overall project is implemented within a prescribed time period. Then is budget. Budget is related to the financial aspect of marketing planning. A marketing budget is the estimation of total cost that will be incurred in the overall marketing process. The expenditures related to advertising, marketing, communication, sales promotion, salaries, to salesperson, etc., will be accounted for. The estimations are made after conducting market research for greater accuracy. It is important to consider the market plan and media used while preparing the budget. Clear to it? Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Be at home. Be safe.